Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you a simple and a basic concept on evolution, and we are going to know a little bit on the theories of evolution. Alright, so we start with this evolution. So let us understand the concept on evolution. So what is the meaning of evolution? Evolution means change. Okay, now we can also say this, that the term evolution means a slow and gradual change over time. Alright, a slow and gradual change over time. If we are to be more specific with the definitions, this would be like this. Evolution is the change, right, in the inherited traits of a population from one generation to the next. So it is the inherited traits from one generation to the next. Now, after this, these traits, inherited traits, are the expression of the genes that are passed on to the offspring during reproduction. Okay, so if we are to summarize everything, what is evolution? A change in the genes. Is that clear? Change in the genes. Next, now we have two theories. All right, so the old theories of evolution. So theories of evolution over here, we have Lamarck. Lamarck in 1800, he proposed the inheritance of acquired characteristics. Okay, what he meant was simple. Just understand the basic. What he said, that he proposed that by using or not using body parts, understand now, an individual tends to develop certain characteristics which it passes on to its offspring. He proposed that by using or not using its body parts, an individual tends to develop certain characteristics which it passes on to its offspring. Okay, simple. Now, simple example is giraffe. You know giraffe, and you all have seen giraffe. Giraffe is long. Giraffe has a long neck. He believed that has a long neck because its ancestors stretched higher into the trees to reach leaves, and that animal's increasingly lengthened neck was passed on to his offspring. This was Lamarck's theory. Alright, simple. This was Lamarck's theory. Now, you have more notes. You can have a look into your book also. Next, now, Charles Darwin. These are basic concepts. Alright, you have to refer to the book. Now, what Charles Darwin formulated was, he set sail in his HMS Beagle to South America shores. Okay, he went to the shores. Now, and he found that on the Galapagos Island, okay, Darwin observed species that lived nowhere else in the world. Okay, in the Galapagos Island. So he set sail in this ship and to South America shores, and went to a specific island known as Galapagos Island. He found species and that lived nowhere else in the world. Okay, that species, and this observation he wrote all this observation into his book. Now he found two main points in this. Species were not created in the present form but evolved from ancestral species. Okay, and number 2 point, he found natural selection. All right, once again, species were not created in the present form but evolved from ancestral species. So natural selection, we just have to understand basic concept on matter now. Overproduction. Many more offspring than that can actually survive. Means more offspring, simple. Competition, space and food. Adaptations. Any kind of inherited traits that improves an organism's chance of survival. Okay, chances of survival, simple. And variations, characteristics of individuals. All right, escape, get food and find a mate, that is variations. And in case of specification, formation of new species as a result of adaptations. So this way the concept of the two theories and little bit of evolution. Okay, thank you.